The Twincrease is a single centered increase, and that means that you don't have any directional increase here. And this is what they look like. I did these on the last right side row. So what you're going to do is slip your stitch purlwise, place it over the top of your left needle, and with your right needle still in, you're going to knit a stitch and take the right leg of that origin stitch off of your left needle. Then you want to knit the left leg of the stitch. What you're left with is in the origin stitch here, you can see at the base of this first stitch, it's twisted right here. And on the other side, it's twisted in the opposite direction. So this does not produce any bumps or like a purl bump for a KFB. If that's too tight, on the row preceding your Twincrease, you can prepare the origin stitch here. And on this one, I just double wrapped my purl. So I slipped it just like before over the top and knit that right leg and then knit the left leg. And here you can see really clearly this right leg over here twists to the left and the left leg over here twists to the right. So you have two stitches that are perfectly centered around that origin stitch.